Tesla's deliveries have gone up by 27% as compared to last year's third quarter, but this wasn't good enough for analysts as they were expecting an even better performance. However, Elon is still confident on achieving 1.8 million deliveries for 2023, and we think this small setback shouldn't be much of a problem. So sit tight as we find out exactly what analysts were expecting and what they got. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel $1 World for regular TSLA stock updates. Tesla reported a 27% surge in summertime deliveries of electric vehicles compared to the previous year, totaling 435,059 vehicles in the July to September period. However, this fell short of analyst projections of around 461,000 units, partly due to softening customer demand and factory upgrades. The majority of Tesla's sales were of the Model 3 and Model Y, which saw price cuts, impacting profit margins. The company attributed the decline in sales compared to the previous quarter to planned factory downtime for upgrades. To achieve CEO Elon Musk's goal of a 50% annual sales increase, Tesla needs to sell 1.97 million vehicles in 2023, but has delivered just over 1.3 million vehicles in the first 9 months, with analysts anticipating 1.84 million for the full year. Tesla has been reducing prices throughout the year to remain competitive as more automakers transition to electric vehicles, impacting profitability. Despite these challenges, Tesla's stock price has nearly doubled in the year, partly due to deals with rival automakers and potential benefits from ongoing labor strikes at GM, Ford, and Stellantis, which could lead to increased prices for the vehicles due to labor demands. Investors were keeping a close eye on Tesla or TSLA shares in pre-market trading as anticipation built for the release of the electric car maker's third quarter delivery figures. The outcome was eagerly awaited as it would provide valuable insights into the company's performance, especially in light of recent challenges in key markets like China. Analysts had been making their predictions, and the consensus was that Tesla's third quarter delivery total would likely be around 459,000 units. This estimate took into account a combination of factors, including softer demand in China, which is Tesla's most crucial market, and production disruptions at the gigafactories in Shanghai and Austin. In the previous quarter, Tesla had achieved an impressive milestone by delivering 466,140 new cars. This marked an 83.5% increase compared to the same period in the previous year. The strong performance in the second quarter had followed the delivery of 422,875 vehicles in the first quarter of the year. Taking a closer look at the situation in China, Tesla had sold approximately 150,000 cars in the months of July and August. This data came from official reports by the China Passenger Car Association, or CPCA, and indicated a slight dip from the approximately 171,000 units sold in the May to June period. However, it's worth noting that Tesla's second quarter sales in China had been quite robust, with just under 250,000 cars sold, a significant improvement compared to the previous year's COVID-affected figures. The CPCA also provided insights into Tesla's performance at its Austin production facility in the United States. In August, Tesla's sales there rose by 9.3% compared to the same month in the previous year, reaching a total of 84,159 units. While these numbers were strong, they did come in slightly below the levels seen in June. Despite Tesla introducing substantial price cuts during that time, Tesla's strategy also included a series of price reductions, with additional cuts announced just the previous Friday. Moreover, they sweetened the deal for buyers in the United States, China, and Europe by offering rebates as part of their Refer and Earn program. Analyst Dan Ives from Redbush provided some perspective on Tesla's performance, saying, "Deliveries have been strong this quarter, with inventory being worked down across the world for Tesla based on our tracking. The vast majority of the price cuts now appear to be in the rearview mirror. Despite some challenges, we believe Tesla had a relatively robust quarter in China and should be poised for a strong end of the year." The combination of demand, price cuts, and the Model 3 refresh seems to be resonating well with Chinese EV consumers. As the pre-market trading session unfolded, Tesla's shares experienced a 0.43% increase, indicating an opening bell price of $251.30 each. This modest uptick reflected the cautious optimism among investors as they awaited the official release of the third quarter delivery numbers. In conclusion, Tesla's performance in the third quarter was closely watched, particularly in light of challenges in key markets and production disruptions. While the anticipated delivery total for the quarter was slightly lower than the previous quarter, the overall sentiment remained positive, with Tesla's strategies, including price cuts and the Model 3 refresh, seeming to resonate well with consumers. The pre-market rise in Tesla's shares reflected the anticipation and optimism among investors as they awaited the official figures, eager to see how the electric car maker had navigated the complexities of the global automotive market. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Let's take a look at Tesla's stock performance in the market. As of October 2nd, 2023, Tesla's stock price stands at $250.22 with a market capitalization of approximately $794.55 billion. Trading activity has been quite robust, with a volume of 265.1 million shares. The day has seen Tesla's stock reach a high of $254.77 and a low of $246.35, illustrating some volatility in the market. Over the past year, Tesla's stock has experienced the 52-week range spanning from $101.81 to $299.29. The trading session began with an opening price of $250 and concluded at $250.22. Examining other key metrics, Tesla currently holds a price-to-earnings ratio of 68.12, reflecting the investor sentiment and valuation of the company relative to its earnings, while Tesla does not offer a dividend yield. It's worth noting that the stock has attracted considerable attention and investment interest. In terms of market dynamics, Tesla's stock has exhibited a beta of 1.52, suggesting that it tends to be more volatile than the broader market. With 3.17 billion shares outstanding and a public float of 2.76 billion, Tesla's stock ownership is widespread, attracting a diverse range of investors. In recent news, Tesla's stock has seen a positive uptick of 1.56% today, which aligns with the strong overall market performance. The company is set to report its third-quarter earnings results on October 19, 2023, and analysts are anticipating earnings per share of $1.05 on revenue totaling $24.8 billion. This upcoming earnings report will be closely watched by investors and analysts alike, as it will provide insights into Tesla's financial performance and growth trajectory. However, it's important to note that Tesla faces increasing competition from other electric vehicle manufacturers, both within the United States and on the global stage. This heightened competition underscores the rapidly evolving landscape of the electric vehicle industry. Nevertheless, Tesla continues to maintain its position as the market leader in this sector, driven by its innovative products and expanding presence. The company is expected to continue its rapid growth in the coming years, capitalizing on the increasing demand for electric vehicles and sustainable transportation solutions. In other Tesla news, on Sunday, Tesla introduced an updated version of its Model Y in China, featuring minor alterations to both the vehicle's exterior and interior. One notable change is the introduction of a new wheel design, as announced by Tesla's official WeChat account. Despite these updates, the starting price for the Model Y in China, which happens to be Tesla's best-selling model globally, remains unchanged at 263,900 yuan or $36,146. This update to the Model Y in China comes after Tesla previously unveiled a restyled version of the Model 3 with an extended driving range. The Model 3, which is produced at Tesla's Shanghai factory, was introduced in China and other export markets in early September. Tesla's continued efforts to enhance and refine its electric vehicle offerings highlight its commitment to the Chinese market, where it has experienced significant demand for its vehicles. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comment section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel $1 World for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.